Andito na tayo, guys. Ayun sila.
The baby looks the same as the other white ones. Yeah.
Good afternoon, guys. This is Maricel. Welcome back to my vlog. So, andito kami ngayon ni Jason. Actually, wala si Jason. Obviously. Nandun siya sa loob ng shopping center. Nag-cash out siya ng 250 kasi kailangan namin ngayon. So, andito kami ngayon sa likod ng shopping center. Hinihintay ko lang si Jason na dumating tapos aalis tayo. Anong oras pa lang ba? So, ay 5:45 na ng gabi, guys. So, meron tayong pupuntahan. This is, yeah! So exciting. Kasi, meron tayong bibilhin na panibagong baby namin. Titingnan namin kung magugustuhan ba namin yung 2 months old or 1 year old na. Mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Parang ang gulo ko magkwento. Gutom na yata ako. Katatapos ko lang kasi magluto ng aming dinner. Ang niluto ko ay beef stroganoff. So, nagmamadali itong isa. Akala ko pa naman bukas pa pipick upin or titignan yung yun na nga yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Sabihin ko na nga sa inyo kung ano. Lamb. Hindi. Beef. Babe. Hindi, baby sheep. Kasi gusto kong gawin ngayong araw na to, mag-lawn mower. Kasi ang taas na ng damo sa harapan at sa likuran. Tapos, ang tagal nitong isa mamili ng kasi yung lawn mower namin, mga old na siya, guys. Hindi na namin magamit. So sabi ko, bumili na lang na bago ngayon sa Bunnings. Ay, ang tagal pumili nitong isa. Tapos nag-suggest sa akin na kung pwede daw, kung gusto ko daw ng sheep. So, yung sheep, dun sa likod pag-i-extend kasi yun ang gagawin naming lawn mower.
Oh, you're right. It has a feel I couldn't get.
Yeah. See?
No, you're wrong. I got.
I used that one
Yeah, no,
time.
it's happened to me before too.
I have to pay 250, so I have to cancel it and go to another one.
Yeah.
So, andito na siya, guys. So, nasa na ba tayo? So, ayun na nga. Kunin ko nga kayo, baka kayo malaglag. Wait lang wala pang ligo. Ganitong itsura. Nasa na nga ba yung kinikwento ko sa inyo? So, ayun na nga, yung bibili natin ay sheep para sa aming likurang bahay kasi ang taas na ng damo. So, ikikip namin siya. Dati kasi, nung nakatira sila sa old house, bago nag-move ng Brody, meron silang alagang sheep. So, nung nag-move sila ng Brody, ibinenta nila yung guys, yung sheep. Oh, naman. Friend pa naman siya ni Deni. Si Deni walang pakialam. Kahit na maglalaro dyan si Deni, hindi niya pinapakialam ni Deni. Pero yung sheep, in love yung kay Deni.
Head southwest on Peasedale Parade towards Tanderrum Way.
It's a boy, but it has no balls.
Turn right onto
Look at that
Johnston
sun.
Street,
Look at your
State
windows.
Road 48.
Oh, yeah.
Bad it is. Very dangerous. The windows, you need new windows, but I need them
I just
polished.
need to clean up.
Yeah, they need to be really clean. Look, it's making a. See
Yeah.
that?
Yeah.
It's fucking bad. Down.
So, ang ending, guys, imbes nakabili kami ng lawn mower, yung sheep ang mabibili namin. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, ayun, let's go. Sabi ko sa kanya, kailangan ko rin ng lawn mower sa harap ng bahay. Para yung harap na lang ng bahay ang gagawin ko. Kasi itong mga mga lalaki, naku, ang tatamad. So, ako na lang gagawin. Kasi ako naman dati yung gumagawa niya nung wala pa akong trabaho. So, gusto ko yung gusto kong gawin yung sa harapan. Sa harapan na lang, less sa trabaho na pagka meron ng ship kasi pag trinabaho ko pa yung nasa likuran. Nakakapagod ba? Hindi ko na maising.
You got something to rag or something to wipe that fucking shit off the window?
No, I don't have.
Have a look at it. Looks like bird shit on the inside of the window.
I don't have.
It's makeup or something, it looks like. Give haven't got nothing.
Yung sasakyan ko kasi guys ang ginagamit. Masyadong mareklamo to pag sasakyan kong ginagamit.
Turn right onto
Pati na lang yung
Kingston Street,
sasakyan mong ginamit mo.
48.
Masyado to. Ganda ng weather guys. Andito na naman tayo sa probinsya ng Australia. Kita nyo yan? Parang mga mukha na namang palayan.
Not provisional, it is, but it's the outskirts of the city.
Sabi 15 minutes drive lang pero parang 30 minutes na. Pipick upin lang natin si ship.
You're going to buy a sheep.
Did you know already
Or a
if
lamb.
it's a girl or a boy? Because if a girl, I'm gonna give her a name, Chiska.
I think they're boys.
A boy? That's fine. Andito na tayo guys. Ayun sila.
The baby's on for sale and the other white ones. Is this
Yeah.
one here?
That bigger one?
This one here.
Yeah, the big one, yeah. I mean, the bigger to the baby.
The last one. Yeah, after
Yeah.
male or female, it doesn't really matter.
Doesn't matter. She wants a female, but I reckon they're all the same.
Yeah,
Yeah.
That one there running last, yeah.
yeah, running last.
Yeah, yeah,
all white.
Yeah, cool.
So I'm not sure if it's a male or female. But, I reckon give it. I was just googling now. They say between I think 8 to
Yeah.
2 months.
So a
to
couple
3
more
months.
weeks, mate.
Couple
Yeah.
more weeks here.
Yeah, cool. We're cool with that. Yeah, we'll take it for sure.
Yeah.
100%.
Oh, look
How
at
much
that!
for them? 250.
250. Yeah.
We'll pay you for it right now.
Ginabi na tayo guys. Hindi namin nakuha yung baby kasi we didn't get the baby because explain.
It's still better to drink the mother's milk for another 2 to 4 weeks. So we leave it for another 2 weeks on the mother's milk.
Oh, pagka kinuha namin ngayon guys, ngayong araw na to,
It eats,
i-bottle feed ba namin siya ng 2 weeks kasi ano pa lang siya 8 weeks old. So kailangan daw mag 2 months yung mga 2 months na yung baby bago ihiwalay sa ina.
better to wait till 12 weeks, 10 to 12 weeks before you separate from the mother.
Oo, so kailangan pa namin. Pero binayaran namin guys. Binayaran namin ng 250. So maghihintay kami ng 2 weeks. Tapos babalikan na namin yun. So, yeah, I'm happy. Kasi meron sila, kanina nabagit ko sa inyo, dati doon sa house nila, meron silang alagang sheep. So yun ang taga-ano, yun ang kanilang lawnmower. Ang gusto ko magkwento. Yun ang tagalinis ng likurang bahay. Pagka mataas na yung damo, kinakain niya lang. Parang ano lang, yung kambing ba sa atin, yun. So, dito sheep. There's no goat here, yeah?
Yeah.
We have a goat?
Well, that's why I asked you if you wanted to buy a goat or a sheep.
No, I prefer the sheep.
The sheep won't eat the clothes or anything, you know, because they only eat grass. The shit is grass too, like cows. Cow shit is just grass. When it dries, when it's dry, you can pick it up and crunch it in your hands just like a grass.
Yeah. Excited pa naman ako kanina guys. Akala ko may uwi na namin. Akala ko yung 1-year-old ang kukunin niya. Hindi, ang pinili niya yung baby pa. Pero malaki na naman. Kailangan lang namin maghintay ng 2 weeks bago bago i-release yung sheep. So meron ng kalaro si Deni.
We bought a lamb.
Lamb.
That's a baby sheep. It's not a sheep. It's a lamb.
It's a lamb.
Yeah.
It's not a sheep.
It's a lamb. Yeah.
It's a lamb.
A sheep is the old one. A lamb is a baby.
Oh. Confused tuloy ako. It's a sheep. We have a new toy. Ayaw ni Deni, maingay daw. Charan! Kasi yung mga luma namin, 3 yun. Mga sirana.
Oh, and it just goes through. Natural. So you must have put
Do you like it?
No, that's
Do you like it, my baby girl? No! You don't like it. Lakas ng hangin. Ganda pa ng pero malamig na rin. Wala nang katapos ang lamig.
what?
Deni, you like it? Ito try namin guys dito sa ano, sa may tabi ng kalsada. Kagising ko lang. Diyos ko. Kasi yung ship guys, dun yun sa likod. Yung lawnmower na bago, dito yon sa harapan. Kasi sa harapan, hindi naman pwedeng ano, ilagay dito para kumain. Eh di, may magnanakaw niyan. Ano, Deni? Deni! She doesn't like it. Kasi masyadong maingay. Finally guys, Cutlet is with us now.
Picked up our
Yeah.
adopted baby.
Yep. 3 weeks later. Ngayon yung pick up namin guys.
Cutlet.
Andun yung sa likod. Cutlet! Cutlet, are you okay?
Hopefully just sitting in the back door. You don't want her jumping around.
I saw her. I
Which way
saw
to go
her.
right? That's it.
Yep. Wait.
Sorry, Cutlet. Sorry for the rough ride, Cutlet.
You know what, guys? Until now, we don't know yet what's the gender. It's a boy.
Yeah.
He told you the boy. It's a boy.
He said I'll grab him now. It's a boy. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's a boy. Ah, Deni is a girl. So
That's why.
Deni has a boyfriend now.
We picked the biggest one, and the biggest one's obviously a boy. You know. The smaller ones was a girl, but we wanted the big one.
Oh yeah. Okay.
No, I'll just leave it. Unless it's the sand. I can't read it.
Ayan siya guys. Hello, Cutlet. Cutlet. Ha? Me. Me. Tumawag yung anak ng ano, yung may-ari. Dati ni Cutlet. Kala niya siguro ako yung teacher niya. Pagkamalit tayong teacher. Di ba kanina narinig niya nagre-ring yung phone dito. Sinagot niya. Kala siguro nung bata, ako yung ano, ako yung teacher niya. Mukha pa tong teacher. Cutlet, are you okay? My baby boy. Meron na si Dening boyfriend. Yeah, go.
Wait. Go, and then you just run straight out there and fucking there you go. $250 gone.
Daddy, look. I said, look at Daddy. That's your friend, Deni. Deni. Where are you going? Hello. Oh, my boyfriend na si Deni. Si Deni parang walang pakialam. Tama itong ginagawa ng isa. Welcome to your new home, Cutlet. You stay there, Deni. Play with him. Welcome to your new home, Cutlet. Nya! Nya!